Introducing Colorfast EX from Modern Masters. This coating system provides a high-performance finish, achieving rich, vibrant, long-lasting colors with excellent gloss retention, while also providing the ultimate in long-term corrosion protection. Colorfast EX is easy to apply and has minimal VOCs and HAPs. The Colorfast EX coating system consists of an epoxy primer base coat and an aliphatic polyurethane top coat. The Colorfast EX epoxy primer comes in your choice of gray or white, and this primer contains less than 100 grams per liter VOC. The Colorfast EX comes in 4 finishes: gloss, semi-gloss, satin, and matte, and is tintable with 844 colorants. This 2-component top coat is specifically formulated with ingredients that are resistant to UV degradation. For any color you need, use the Colorfast EX coating system wherever an extremely durable, chemical and abrasion-resistant finish is desired, and where excellent color and gloss retention is a must. The next time that you have a project that requires the ultimate in performance along with an ultra-smooth finish, turn to the Colorfast EX from Modern Masters.